Hello everybody, and welcome to my first video back on my second channel. So I have had this bunny sewing set that I ordered online, and I've had it lying around because you're supposed to hang it from somewhere, but I didn't have anything to hang it from. So my grand idea was to measure out how long I wanted like a stick or something to be, and I was gonna make this out of clay. I still had some clay that you need to oven bake, and it just seemed perfect. So I have all my bunnies laid out and a little carrot in the middle, and I measured it and I thought like 55 centimeters would be great. So I would just roll out my clay and then bake it, decorate it. I had all the tools ready. I was so excited. I even got a little helper. Look at her. And then everything crumbled. Literally. I don't know what happened with the clay. I think it's too old. But no matter what I tried, I could not make this work. You will see in a second. It just crumbled in my hands. So I did the next best thing. I went on a little adventure into our garden. We have this beautiful corkscrew hazel in our garden. First I found a different stick, but I just really preferred the wiggly twig, and this we have to cut anyways because it's growing into the pathway. So I measured them out and I cut the exact length that I needed, and I decided it's gonna be the corkscrew hazel all the way. So I brought that upstairs and I just made sure that it's all kind of laid out how I wanted it, like how I wanted the end result to look like. All I'm doing here is I still had some yarn from the actual sewing project, and I just cut that to size. I left quite a bit so I could still adjust it when I actually put it on the twig, like on the wall. But I am just sewing that thread right through. And making sure that that's all holding into place. I then went ahead and just put 2 nails in the wall and made sure that the twig was... It's kind of hard with a corkscrew hazel to make it look straight because it's so wiggly. But I tried to like have it the same height. And then all that was left to do was to hang my little bunnies. At first I made sure that the carrot was somewhat in the middle, so I have a bit of a point where I can go from. And yeah, then I was just hanging the bunnies how I like them, and I absolutely love it. It's been up on the wall for a few days now, and it looks so nice when you walk past it and they all wiggle around and move in the wind. It's lovely. So yeah, that was just a little DIY. The bunnies themselves were so easy to make. You just sewed them together and then stuffed them. So it was like a set that I got online. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and if you're looking for some Easter decorations, maybe you can make this all yourself. Just buying some felt and tracing that and then just sewing it together. I think that should be easy to do. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, and I will see you again soon. Bye!